Hi guys, in this video you're going to learn exactly step by step how to download the Spotify app on your iPhone or iOS device. First up, you're going to go to the home screen of your iPhone and find your App Store application. For me it's in the bottom right or the middle right section of my home screen. I'm going to click that and it should bring you to the home page or the to-do page. You're going to go to the bottom right section, the search page, and start typing in Spotify. First one that comes up. You're going to scroll down to the Spotify logo, the green and black logo, the title Spotify Music and Podcasts, and then to the right of that title there is the blue sort of cloud download logo. Hit that and that's going to start downloading for you. Make sure that you do have a good Wi-Fi connection before downloading everything because you don't want it to take too long. So it nearly is finished, and that is the app downloaded on my iPhone. Next up, you're going to go to the open button. It's going to bring you to this page right here. So if you do not have an account yet, you can go to the sign up for free option and create your account there. However, I do have a Spotify account. It's connected to my Facebook. So I'm going to go and click continue with Facebook. Continue. Open in Facebook. You previously logged into Spotify with Facebook. Would you like to continue? Yes. And that should open up my account. Spotify would like to send you notifications. Allow. And there we go. We've logged in to Spotify on the iPhone and you can start downloading all of the playlists, all of the albums, podcasts, whatever you like. Okay guys, so this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. My name's Andrew. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing.